How to add voiceover in Canva. I'm going to show you how to add a voiceover to your design in Canva. First, open Canva and create or select the design you want to work on. Make sure it's a video or presentation format, as voiceover options are available for those. Next, click on the Uploads tab in the left panel. If you haven't already uploaded your audio file, click the Upload Media button to add your voiceover file from your device. Once your audio file is uploaded, drag it onto your design. You can adjust its position on the timeline at the bottom of the screen to sync it with your visuals. To edit the audio, click on the audio file in your timeline. A toolbar will appear where you can trim the audio, adjust volume, or add fade in and fade out effects to make it sound smooth. After you've made your adjustments, play the design to see how the voiceover fits with your visuals. Make any necessary tweaks to timing or audio levels. Finally, when you're satisfied with your design, click the download button in the top right corner. Choose your preferred video format and click download again to save your project with the voiceover included.